Welcome, space enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into something truly extraordinary happening right now in our solar system. As you watch this video, an ancient wanderer known as 3 Atlas is racing toward our sun at an astonishing speed of 152,000 miles per hour. This isn't just another cosmic object, it's a potential game changer for our understanding of the universe. 3 Atlas is unlike anything we've encountered before. Imagine a rock a million times more massive than previous interstellar visitors, possibly drifting through the galaxy for 7 billion years older than our entire planet. But what's even more fascinating is its glowing green appearance, like a cosmic lighthouse, and its behavior that defies all the rules we thought we knew about comets. NASA scientists are in a frenzy because 3 Atlas began exhibiting unusual activity when it was still 420 million miles from the sun, something that should be impossible for a typical comet. The energy required to produce its signals is equivalent to that of a nuclear reactor here on Earth. Even more perplexing is its backwards tail, which points toward the sun instead of away from it, made of materials we've only seen in human-made alloys. As we approach its rendezvous with the sun on October 29, we stand on the brink of discoveries that could reshape our understanding of the cosmos. If you're as captivated by these space mysteries as I am, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. What we uncover about 3 Atlas will truly blow your mind. 3 Atlas is traveling on a hyperbolic trajectory, like a car speeding down a highway without any speed limits. It's moving so fast that our sun's gravitational pull can't capture it. It's simply passing through our cosmic neighborhood. And here's where it gets even more intriguing. Remember Oumuamua from 2017? While that object sparked discussions about possible alien technology, 3 Atlas is making it look ordinary. Estimates suggest it could be anywhere from 3 to 30 meters across, potentially 50 times larger than any interstellar object we've ever seen. But size isn't the only thing that has astronomers buzzing. When the Keck telescope in Hawaii observed 3 Atlas, they discovered it's emitting nickel without any evidence of iron, something that has only been seen in industrially produced nickel alloys on Earth. This anomaly is just one of 7 major findings that Dr. Avi Loeb from Harvard has identified, ranking 3 Atlas as a 4 on his scale of cosmic oddities. Let's talk about that backwards tail. Every comet typically has a tail that points away from the sun, but 3 Atlas has what scientists call an anti-tail, a stream of material that points toward the sun. This is not just unusual, it's practically unprecedented. The European Space Agency's Mars orbiters captured stunning images of this cosmic spectacle when 3 Atlas passed within 18.6 million miles of Mars, revealing a bright, hazy coma surrounding its core. As we approach the critical October 29th perihelion, we enter what scientists refer to as a blind period. Starting around October 21st, 3 Atlas will be positioned directly behind the sun from our perspective, making it impossible to observe what happens during its closest approach. Some scientists, including Dr. Avi Loeb, suggest this timing could be more than coincidental. If 3 Atlas were some kind of probe, this would be the perfect time to deploy smaller exploratory devices without being detected. The James Webb Space Telescope has been tracking 3 Atlas with unprecedented detail, revealing that its coma is primarily composed of carbon dioxide. Unlike most comets that are dominated by water vapor, the mass loss rates are staggering, shedding 330 pounds of material every second, with 87% being carbon dioxide. This early activity suggests that 3 Atlas contains supervolatile ices, hinting at its formation in the frigid outer regions of another star system. As we continue to study this cosmic anomaly, we're not just looking at a space rock. We're peering into the deep history of our galaxy. 3 Atlas represents a time capsule from the early days of our galaxy, and its journey will provide us with more opportunities for observation. After its hidden passage behind the sun, it will make its closest approach to Earth on December 19th, coinciding with the winter solstice. What makes 3 Atlas so significant is not just its unusual properties but what it represents for the future of astronomy. The Vera Rubin Observatory is expected to discover dozens of interstellar objects every year, and 3 Atlas is giving us a preview of the kinds of cosmic visitors we can expect to encounter regularly. As we approach the critical observations in the coming months, we are on the verge of potentially groundbreaking discoveries. Will 3 Atlas behave like a normal comet as it gets closer to the sun? Will its mysterious nickel emissions intensify? The universe is